Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best truck bed bike racks on Amazon. A high-quality truck bed bike rack will keep your bike and truck safer. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Delta Bike Hitch Pro 2 Locking Fork Mount. This bike mount fork lock is one of the most secure possibilities out there. It has 2 holes that you will use to mount the rack to your truck bed or any other flat surface. It also has a 9mm skewer to quickly and easily attach the bike to the mount. At one end, there's a lockable handle that prevents your bike from getting stolen while in the bed of your truck. What makes this rack stand out is the special anti-rust treatment. It has a powder-coated finish that keeps the rack looking great and prevents corrosion. Unfortunately, this rack only works with older styles of bike forks. Newer mountain bikes aren't compatible with this rack. The bolt and nut are not powder-coated or stainless steel. This makes them susceptible to rust. Number 2. Heinenger Automotive Bed Rack. This Heinenger rack is strong and easy to assemble. In fact, no tools are required to put it together. You can haul up to 4 bikes with it, and there's no need to take the wheels off and then reassemble. It holds your bikes securely without doing that, and it has soft pads to protect the finish and parts from damage. A lockable cable is included for added protection, and you can use the bike rack as a standalone unit off the truck if necessary. There are reports of some downsides, however. One purchaser said the rack is too wide to use with a bedliner. Another buyer said the rack moved around in his large pickup, no matter what he did to secure it. And one user said it damaged his bike's disc brakes. Number 3. Inno Truck Bed Bike Mount System. This may be the most unique bike rack we've come across, but don't let its design fool you. Instead of placing the bike in the center of the truck bed, this rack stores bikes on the sides. This is a great option for anyone who is looking to save cargo space or bring multiple bikes on a trip. You simply attach the hardware over the side rails and then attach the bike to it. Out of the box, you get ratcheting holders and 2 D-ring clamps for the railing. One of the best features is you can leave these fitted to the truck while leaving room for whatever else you need. While it is designed to hold a single bike, you could use one clamp to hold one bike and move the other to the opposite side for a second bike. However, while it does save space for cargo in the center of the truck bed, you are limited to the number of bikes you can carry. As it is a side mounting kit, you can fit only 1 bike per side. Also, the rack may not be able to hold smaller children's bikes or large, robust ones. Number 4. MBP Alloy Quick Release Fork Mount Bike Block. This fork block can be installed in your truck bed, van, trailer, garage, or anywhere else. The quick release skewer and handle give you fast access. It's made from a strong and lightweight alloy. It will fit most bicycles that have a standard 9x100 dropout. The downside of this mount is that it only fits forks that fit into the 100mm space. It also doesn't come with the mounting hardware necessary to install it. The skewer lock isn't the most secure and can leave your bike feeling slightly unstable. There are also no security features, such as the ability to lock. Number 5. Pipeline Racks Truck Bed Bike Rack. If you need to carry a lot of bikes in the bed of your truck, then this style of rack is ideal. It can hold up to 4 bicycles. You don't need to remove the front wheel, and you don't need to drill holes. The installation is simple and fast. The rack is adjustable to fit bicycle tires that are 0.75 to 2.8 inches in width. You'll really like this rack because you don't have to remove the front tire before you put the bike on the rack. It's also compatible with a broad range of bikes. The large capacity means you can easily carry several bikes at a time without installing a mount for each bike. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.